Hi, this is Colin from Russound here in Newmarket, New Hampshire. I'm here to talk to you today about our XZone70V. It's a 300-watt mixer amp with a built-in streamer. So you get all of the great streaming services you're used to in a residential product. So you get Pandora, Spotify, SiriusXM, TuneIn, VTuner, DLNA, music from a NAS drive. All of the things you're used to using, especially including Apple AirPlay, which is built into every Russound streaming product. But the best thing you can have for an XZone70V, which is designed for light commercial jobs, is SiriusXM for Business. That's a built-in service for this product. Lets you be a hero to all of your customers, get a lot more jobs, help them out, and let you make some money doing the installation. So, great thing about this is SiriusXM for Business is a low monthly subscription fee to your customers, and it gives them access to licensed commercial music. A lot of business owners don't realize they're liable for some hefty fines from ASCAP and BMI and other companies that license radio music for playback to the public. If they're not playing licensed music, they're at risk for fines of up to $10,000 per occurrence. So you can be a hero here, sell them an XZone70V, get them hooked up with SiriusXM for Business, play licensed commercial-free music, and really be a hero in the situation. So take a look at this product on Russound.com. It is a Russound certified installer required product. You can take a look at that program as well. And please check out the other Russound videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time and happy selling.